Hi, I'm Alan Nutterfield. I'm the construction manager here at Roadworx. Roadworx is a civil road surfacing privately owned company. We are based in Ingleburn, Kembler Grange and other various areas. We're here in Ingleburn today to showcase the JCB Pothole Pro and other specialised equipment that Roadworx has within. So first thing you notice about the JCB Pothole Pro is its tyres. It's 6-bar tyres. It's a very innovative way compared to your traditional rubber ducky. It's single tyre rather than your double. Helps a lot with stability, and with that you got your axle locks, which is another great thing for that nice, comfortable drive while you're on, whether it's on the road or having a profile in position. As we move around, we come along to the cab. I'll just jump up here and show you. As we're in the cab here now, you notice the amazing 368 view. It's got tinted windows here on the side and on the top here, which helps with any sun or that coming in, stopping you from squinting or that. Along with that is the height of the position for the mill and the sweeper. That's really helpful in the fact that you get a bird's eye view of what's going on down on the ground. Inside here you have a very, very neat and tidy piece of equipment. Everything's at hand reach. The joy pads are very easily used and controlled. The seating, like I spoke about before, the seating area is excellent. With the mill down, going at the full depth of 175, it cuts through it like bread and butter. So we'll just take a walk outside and we'll look at the mill, sweep and the cropping to them. As we make our way here to the front, we come to the mill, which is a 600 drum with a depth of 175 and it got 8 degrees tilt. This also slides out 100 mil past the actual point. So it's really good for going around services, lipper gutter. It also helps with creep speed. You're able to creep in and creep out. It's amazing. That is amazing little additive on there with this. As we move to the actual sweeper, sweeper has an 80-litre water tank, which helps with dust suppression. It's also, as we move around here, it's got 12 nylon single piece of pat. So they get replaced with nylon spacer. They usually last up to 9 weeks. But given on any kind of job, that can vary. As we make our way to the cropping tool, it has a 590 mil piece of hard steel that is great for getting your 90 degrees on your corner after the mill's been through it. It also will help if there's any stubborn edges or that won't come up, you can pull them all the way through. So there's a quick overview of the JCB Pothole Pro. Roadworx is here and ready to take the next challenge to getting out to site and actually putting this machine and our other one to the work.